long are you going to cook it for? Hmm? Okay. How long is it in there for? How many minutes? Is it ready? How long? Is it 3 minutes? How many minutes? Yeah, put it in there. Put it in. Okay, and close it. All right, how long? How long are you going to cook it for? All done? How long was it? How many minutes? Did you say 3 minutes? 3 minutes. You laughing at Buddy? And Cat's over there.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. It was cooking for 3 minutes. Huh? You gonna turn it on again? What are you doing? What are you doing there? Is it done? You gonna cook it longer?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay.
3 minutes.
Are you cooking in the oven? Is that your oven? Where's my boy? Boo! Uh-oh, no slamming. No slamming. I think your milk is ready. Go get your milk. Go get your milk. Your milk is ready. Good job. Yay, all done. That's not even your milk. That's Keely's milk. You want to go get it, Keely's? I heard that. Do I need to change your diaper? Oh, come on. No, go. No, you have to go to potty. Go potty. Do we need to change your diaper? Yes? Oh, man.